Hola y bienvenidos a Module 3. Welcome to Module 3, or Modules 3 and 4. So you'll see here on the side, we have Modules 3 and 4, and then we also have it separated out into Module 3 dates and Module 4 dates. So technically, most of the assignments are due at the end of that second date, that June 5th date. But in order to stay on track, you really want to finish the Module 3 items by the Module 3 dates, so the 31st. And we do have a discussion board post that is due during the Module 3 dates. So you got to make sure you get started, on that part at least. So if we take a look at the Module 3, we have our readings and resources. So this module is about families and family vocabulary and the verb tener, which means to have. So you're going to use it to talk about, like, I have a sister, do you have a brother, things like that. So make sure you go through, there's textbook pages and some explanations, and there's also some articles. You will need the articles because we have the discussion board and you need to get your initial post in by Friday, May 30th. So make sure you get started by reading those cultural articles as soon as possible. And then there's also some videos to watch about the verb and the family vocabulary. For the assignments, we have the homework packet, like always. Remember, you have unlimited attempts for that, so do it until you get the grade that you want. Then the discussion board. So like I said, Friday, May 30th, so the day before the end of Module 3, you need to have your initial post done. So make sure you read the textbook page and the article that's posted and get your initial post in, and then your responses will be due at the end of the June 5th day. So then there's a speaking assignment. You're going to answer those questions about your family with a complete sentence. Family tree practice. This is just something that's similar to what's on the quiz. So you don't have to submit that anywhere. Just look at it before you take the quiz. And then we have the quiz. And again, like always, once you open it, you have to finish it and you only get one attempt. So make sure you don't open it until you are ready, and make sure you check that document about how to add accents, because you do need to be able to add your accents. Okay, so that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.